Don't be put off by the idea of giving a wood surface a Polyx-Oil maintenance coat. For this demo, we're using an oak board that's already been treated with Polyx-Oil. To show you what a bit of wear and tear can do, we'll speed things up and put one half through some heavy use. Let's do some water, grit, dirt, plenty of footsteps. Once rinsed off, it still looks impressive. My shoes may have polished it a little, but you can see just how tough this finish is. Now let's prep for the maintenance coat. Lightly sand the area with a 120 grit sandpaper. Wipe away the dust and clean with methylated spirit and let it completely evaporate. Apply a thin layer of Polyx-Oil, feathering gently into the surrounding surface without overlapping too much. Leave it to absorb for around 10 minutes, then wipe away any excess with a lint-free cloth. That's it! Once dry, you'll never notice the patch repair. The wood is freshly protected and ready to keep doing its job.